Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I'm gonna just kind of speed through this pour. It's a commissioned 18-inch Lazy Susan. I primed it and base coated it with navy, and I'm going to put a wet coat of navy down. So believe it or not, this is the same color that's dried on the Lazy Susan. So I'm just putting a skim coat to have wet paint. This is a Wilton icing fondant spreader. It's great to just kind of quickly put on a coat of paint. Everything is mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. I don't have a lot of silicone in my colors. I may add as I go. I'm not sure. I only have a few bottles that are ready-made. I mean, they have been sitting for a while. The rest are colors that I've mixed up for today. And I kind of mixed my own colors to make the colors I needed based on the decor of my client. So I'm going to be watching a video that I created this on a black background 3 years ago and see if I can pull it off again. This is why I like squeeze bottles when you're trying to control something, because you can't really control it in a cup. It's just a lot more difficult. You get a lot more paint that comes out, and maybe you don't want that much paint, you know?